welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. It is Friday, December 7th. And we welcome everyone on OneSpotMedia.com, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat at SmileJamTVJ, and also on televisionjamaica.com. Great to have you with us this morning. As always, we have a fantastic show. Today is no different. It is Friday, so we're going to have a little bit more fun than we normally have.
Will we?
Yeah, we normally do. What going?
What was that, guys?
What going?
What's that? Where did that come from?
Everything is everything?
Everything is most things, and some things are not everything, but they will be. You know exactly what I mean, so don't even ask me.
I bet you don't repeat what you just said.
Everything is most things, and some things aren't everything, but they will be. I'm working on some things to be everything. But right now, most things are everything.
Most
the equation.
Things are everything.
E equal MC squared.
Yeah, man.
Somewhere
I know
in there.
that one. Let me know for sure.
It's a sign of brilliance.
Yeah,
if you can't put it together,
no,
then
that one
I
I know. I know that one. The MC squared thing is right out of my book.
True? Which book? Which book?
The book that I never studied. Oh, listen, man. If
yes,
you never know Christmas is here, Christmas is here.
Oh, you know Christmas
because
is
this
here.
man I never even drive me air conditioned. Open up window and thing and breeze and nice.
Yes, never, but by 10 o'clock it is blazing hot. Yeah, I don't understand it.
Me take the little piece of the coolness.
I don't understand it.
No air conditioned, come down and breeze and blow me feel.
Yeah,
cool
so it's
and
nice. And the lights in the plaza are beautiful.
Yeah,
Just think it all happened
really
a little
also
late, so we have to enjoy it while it lasts, because it's soon by the time they quint.
Yeah, don't push it by too quick. Because Christmas should be about 6 months.
I think so too.
Yeah, they take a 1 month holiday, like 7 months.
And then you go and leave, like 8 months.
8 months.
Then you take a period of absence, like 9 months.
Then you have what you call it, paternity leave.
Then you take some maternity leave. That
12
is
months.
12.
Yeah.
We have it done.
How
that plan?
All right. We work 2 days for the year. It's not a problem. We're not going to take the whole year. We work 2 days.
Gone from beginning one more weekday off to the entire year.
All right, folks, so on today's show, we continue to read your letters to create some smiles this season with Wish List.
What's happening here?
Okay, then.
And if your wish is to hear from your folks in foreign, we have got you covered. In Greetings Across the World, the best show on television.
All right, it's you that too.
Go on. Oh, it is International Civil Aviation Day, so we're taking to the skies a little later on.
And she took to the skies to support Dalton, producer of Rising Stars, and our dear friend Sharon is fresh from the UK. She'll tell us what the experience with X Factor was like.
Fresh from the UK, you say. And who has the it factor to walk away the most fashionable with Campari Pop Style?
We don't enter that, you know. And you can pop style for the holidays when the folks from Chris and Charles stop by to tell you how you can land alone for the Christmas.
So you have the X factor when it comes to fashion?
Yeah, you want to enter the Campari Pop Style.
So why never do it?
We didn't know where to enter or to enter.
We weren't listening. We've been running the features. And what is Christmas, folks, without Tortuga rum cakes? Those cakes are delicious. They're delicious. Jody, have you had them? They are delicious.
Where's
and
the food,
they're taking
Joe?
over our Sips and Tips segment.
Nobody can eat like her, it's a little bit so.
Yes, correct. It goes to our hair.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. So, hot topics. Smile. So I was on Shortwood Road for half an hour yesterday from Stella Maris down to the turn by Grandspen. Half an hour.
Why?
It took me. I don't know. Apparently, earlier in the day, a JPS pole fell somewhere in the area, but long after it was cleared and the traffic ought to have been up and running smoothly, it was gridlock. But then I hear that there were other parts of Kingston as well yesterday evening where nobody just couldn't move from all angles. Dion, I'm using your show name. And it seems to be happening more frequently. And if you get past the gridlock and get to clear passage, you don't see no accident. You don't see, there's nothing that...
It's a straight road.
Nothing that explains it.
Yeah.
It is the most incredible thing.
Never
I don't know.
understand that.
I don't know if it's because it's Christmas and there are more cars on the road.
Yeah. I've never understood that. Straight road. So sometimes I sit down and I say, well, it must be a little accident up at the top. And when you come, there's no accident. Straight road. There you go.
It was terrible.
You know, Mariska nearly gave me a heart attack a while ago.
No, she did it to me a while ago too, this morning. I don't know what she did around there.
Who that are moving at the dark?
Dopey.
Mariska. And then she shot like where the food goes, so you may understand.
It's true. Well, the light pole was broken by crew along Constant Spring Road. They removed the light pole, restricted access for a little while to Constant Spring Police Station, north of Constant Spring Police Station, and there was disruption in power supply as well. But eventually, as I said, they moved it. I guess so. Okay. I wouldn't be able to tell you from this morning because obviously nobody on the street.
But it says it has been removed. So
yes. Yes, it has. It has been.
Shouldn't have no issues there.
I'm hoping that.
What going with Kevin Hart now?
Oh, poor pumpkin. But that's what happens in this day and age. You got to be careful of what you say. Yeah. 2 days after announcing on his Instagram that he would be hosting the Academy Awards for 2019, Kevin Hart has stepped down from the role following public backlash over his homophobic comments from the past.
He's apologized for them.
Has he?
Yeah.
I heard his apology was not really an apology.
He has apologized.
In the past, you said, Julie? Yeah. But he responded to the backlash Thursday with a video. I swear, man, our world is becoming beyond crazy, and I'm not going to let this craziness frustrate me or anger me, especially when I've worked hard to get to the mental space that I'm at now. My team calls me. Oh my God, Kevin, the world is upset by tweets you did years ago. My God, guys, I'm almost 40 years old. If you don't believe that people change, grow, evolve as they get older, I don't know what to tell you. If you want to hold people in a position where they always have to justify or explain their past, then do you. I'm the wrong guy, man. I'm in a great place, a great mature place where all I do is spread positivity. If you're not doing that, you're not on my page. So,
there you go.
Apparently he got a call from the Academy telling him that if he didn't apologize for his tweets of old, they were going to have to move on and find another host. He stated that he chose to pass on the apology because he's already addressed the tweet several times. So I guess that's why he decided to step down. Yeah, wow.
All right, we move on. What's your favorite boujou?
Boujou? I love the boujou called Close One Yesterday from the Till Shiloh album. You know that one?
I like that album.
Yeah.
It's a nice song.
Just put an angel over me. I feel that is the story of my life every day. Yeah. Sometimes you don't know how you get past certain things, but you just know that you are covered. Well,
he's set to be released tomorrow, December 8th, from federal prison in Georgia. He's been in jail since 2010. I think we all know that. So we look forward to. I would think that he must have written thousands of songs while incarcerated. I hope. I like Till I'm Late to Rest. I like the 23rd Psalm that he did with Gramps. It's beautifully done. Beautifully done.
True.
So we look forward to seeing and hearing. I don't know where his first concert will be. I heard Trinidad and in Trinidad, but hopefully it will be in Jamaica.
They corrected that report. Subsequently said it was going to be here in Jamaica early next year.
Well, so great news for Buju and his family and all of us who check for Buju Banton.
All
right. Everett will have 413 birthdays.
Do you think, Virgin?
So let me start with...
Hold up for meditation. Look it up on the bench.
All right. Happy birthday to Azania Miller. She celebrates her birthday tomorrow. It's coming from your dad, your mom, your brothers, your sister, your grandma. Azania goes to Vaz Prep. Here is Azania. Azania, don't worry, your picture is coming up. I hear she watches the program before she goes to school.
Nice.
So there you go, Vaz. I did ask somebody with school, them go them say Vaz Crepe. But it's actually Vaz Prep.
Oh Lord, what a sweetie pie.
There you go. Happy birthday, Azania. Have a brilliant day today.
Adores.
Happy 11th birthday to Suri Simone McCarthy. Greetings coming from Michael Ann and Auntie Kim. Here is Suri Simone again.
What a beautiful name she has.
She does have a beautiful name, and she's a
Simone.
beautiful young
Like
lady.
it.
There you go. There she is. Happy birthday to Theresa Chambers. It's coming from your mom, it's coming from your kids, and it's coming from Tibby. Happy birthday to Javier Johnson. Javier, I hope it's Javier and not Javier, but it's Javier Johnson. His birthday is today, his first birthday. And greetings coming from Mom Satania, Grandma Jennifer, your Aunt Chanika, your uncles Romaine and Romario. Look at this youngster. Look how the man hot and nice now, make a PJs and things. Kind of need couple teeth still quietly, but
They're coming.
yeah, that will come. And I think I have one more, if I could just find it. Happy birthday. They call her Kiki.
Do you love me?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Say, I don't know. It's coming from Tia. Kiki, have a great day today and many happy returns. You got none?
You've already done them all in the
Okay.
world.
So-
I don't think there's anybody else a birthday today who you haven't acknowledged.
Yeah. I'm supposed to start getting some money for them tonight because I don't know these people. So happy birthday,
Oh, the
folks.
contractor general is listening.
Have a great day.
Lock you up. Lock him up.